on YouTube. So we got a new blender to make our smoothies because we both like smoothies. I got it from Target for 30 bucks. We're gonna open it and see how it looks. Should be like a basic blender. Got the instructions. Got the actual blender bowl. Square blender, I like that. When I worked at the place called Smoothie King, that's the kind we had. And then you have your base. You just like your basic blender. And here's the top for that. Gotta wash it out. And you just put it on and lock it in. So we'll be using this to make our delicious smoothies. And that's it for today. Bye.